Hey everybody, how are you? Guess what? I have a Dollar Tree haul, and it's all craft. My Dollar Tree finally got something new in. Actually, it wasn't my Dollar Tree. It was a Dollar Tree that's in another town. I got stickers! Wait till you see these stickers. Ready? Look at those. Look at those. They're like banner ones with cute little buttons. Hope, cherish, inspire, love, dream, believe, and laugh. Loving this. And it's like they're almost on like a corrugated cardboard. I'm loving this. Loving this. And I'm thinking, oh my gosh, I can make these. But for $1, we buy them. Okay, so they have it like a whole craft cardstock type of sticker going on. Look at these. Do you see these? Dream catchers with bling. These are absolutely gorgeous. Okay, whoever's ringing the bell to go out, I'll be there in a minute. Silly dogs. Okay, look at these. I don't love them, I like them. Aren't they cute? You hear the bell? Somebody wants to go outside. Aren't they cute? I think they're really cute. And you get 12 of them. I mean, I like cupcakes to look like cupcake, fun, cartoonish, but this is really cool. Then, look at those. And they have bling. I am loving the bling. All right, guess what? I gotta put you on pause. Okay, I'm back. So look at how cute they are. They actually have a glitter and a shimmer to them. Okay. Then I got those hummingbirds. Aren't they adorable? I'm really liking this. Can't wait to see what I come up with. I am going to start my 2-card tutorials again. Maybe this week. I'm going to work on it. So keep your eye out for that. Now, the next part is the secret part. Okay, I'm like so excited to show you. Okay. Ah! Anticipation. There's one for me and one for a future giveaway. There's one for me and one for a future giveaway. One for me and one for a future giveaway. Look what I found! Oh my gosh. Look, I don't know how many are in the set. Look! Ready? Look! Look! I'm so excited. When I found these, I'm like, I was a lunatic. I'm like, oh my God, John! I'm like, get over here. And he's like, what? I go, you're not gonna believe what I found. And I had them all over the floor in Dollar Tree. There are 8 here. So this one is a future giveaway. I have a giveaway going on right now, so I can't do this. This will probably be August or September. So keep an eye out on my videos. But this pile is gonna be a giveaway. This pile is for me. So look at this. The Hampton art. Wish you were here. Good day, sunshine. You make me smile. Look at these. Oh my gosh. Aren't these unbelievably cute? With much love. For you. Good times. Love you. Thinking of you. Just a little note to say. I am in awe of these silly stamps. Live, laugh, love. Beautiful dream. Look at how they wrote the beautiful. Beautiful. Oh my gosh. Life with you is good. I found them. I guess I'm gonna have to go online and see. I'm so grateful with heartfelt thanks. Thinking of you with love. Have a great day. Best wishes. If anybody knows, before I get a chance to look this up, how many were in this set, please give me a shout out. Look at these. Isn't this going to be an awesome giveaway? I'm so excited to share. I love to share. So, this is my quick little Dollar Tree craft giveaway. Look at that. How did that happen? Oh, I went backwards, didn't I? I did. So this is my cute little Dollar Tree giveaway. Please hit that subscribe button, hit that little bell button so that you get notified when I'm posting videos, because you're not going to want to miss this one. And I promise I'm going to have my card tutorials coming back. Summer got me off schedule, but I'm hoping this week I get back on schedule. All right, everybody, have a great day, and I will see you all real soon. Bye.